Hey everyone, welcome back, and this time in this video I'm going to show you how we can stop the vibration while typing on your Android. So we can go to the settings app right away, and on the main page you can scroll a little bit more and find a sounds and vibration menu. So you can proceed to that, and below when you scroll a little bit you can see there is the system vibration menu, which you can click on it to expand and show you more options. And these are some random things like touch interactions, dialing on the keypad, but there is also the Samsung keyboard. So if you are using Samsung keyboard to type, usually just type on the keyboard and you don't want to have the vibration in here, you can disable it like that. And the next time you go to any place where the keyboard shows up, you will be typing without the vibration. So that's the first thing you need to know. However, as you can notice, my keyboard or on this device, I'm not using Samsung keyboard, but I'm using Google Gboard. So if you're using that as well, make sure to get inside the Gboard application on your Android device and click on the preferences. And in here you get to manage some random things, right? And you should as well be able to disable the vibration in here. So part of the preferences in the Gboard app, I can also disable keyboard vibration. So this one will not make any haptic feedback either. So that's what you need to do to stop it. Let me know if it also worked the same way for you. Hit the thumbs up if it did, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in future uploads.